Howdy y'all, it's your friendly neighborhood slinger here. If you have a pipe smoking channel, please go to Rumble. Please. Alright? Both Google and YouTube are literally attacking my phone constantly, trying to get me to prove I'm an adult. They're setting all of my YouTube videos to private automatically. I have to go back and switch it to public. I just had to do that with my forging video. Look, I know YouTube is so smooth and buttery for y'all, but just go to Rumble. You're gonna get hit here. You're gonna get hit. This is a control group here, you know, like they're testing how much they can get away with, you cats. I'm just having a pipe trying to cut a can in half from about 10 meters away, 10 yards, whatever the hell you call it. And they got a problem with that. I'm going to cut that can in half and I'm going to puff my pipe. I tried doing a live stream on Rumble earlier. I couldn't figure it out though. I mean, it's probably not rocket appliances, but I did everything. I got the studio app, I got the app, I went in my phone settings and enabled permissions for video. Couldn't figure it out. I'll figure it out though. I only have like 30 something subscribers on Rumble too, and I've already made 7 cents. You know, back on my other YouTube, you know, I had almost 500 subscribers, never made 1 cent. You know what I'm saying? Go to Rumble. It's more gooder. It's even betterer too. And they're not just trying to hack you up and tell you what you can and can't say over there. They're not even mad you're pipe smoking. I bet I could drop an N-bomb on Rumble and they wouldn't bat an eye. I'm not gonna, but I'm pretty sure I could, and they wouldn't even get mad. Like I could drop an N-bomb with a hard R on Rumble, they won't even care. Rumble's pretty dope. It's like what YouTube used to be when YouTube first hit. Get the app, dude. Go over to Rumble. They don't really give a shit over there, you know? You could say and do what you want. Rumble needs more variety right now. Alright, the RPC is replacing the YTPC, I'm telling you right now. RPC is the way. Hot dog, that Sun Bear Navy cast is good. Hot diggity dog. I'm waiting on DoorDash to show up with my cheeseburger. I don't know, guys. Another hit or two. I cut that can in half. You're about to see the bottom of that can drop. Man, oh man, that thing is dangling, hanging on by a thread. I gotta hit it just right now. That makes it tricky. Oh man, Just making matters worse for myself here. Cut that can, boy. These .5 precise bands from Amazon, cheap as hell. They're doing good. They're doing work. Jeez. Slapping it up with my Simple Shot Torque. I've been liking this frame lately. Usually I like a crisper, sharper corner for reference on my frames, but this one's doing great. Good brace grip. Hold up, man. Holy moly. No, that can ain't looking so hot. If I don't cut it on the next couple shots, I'm going to take you all over there to see it. It's looking crazy. Getting harder to hit because it's all chewed up. Man, if I was a better slinger, I wouldn't be firing it into the big gaping hole in the middle of the can right now. Jeez. It's like when you lose a tooth and there's just this little strand of nerve hanging onto it. Poof. Jeez, hard to hit now. Alright, come with me now. I'm all out of shot. Gotta gather my shot and show you what I'm dealing with over here. Kind of shit I live with in my life. Alright. Look at this can. Look at it. Jeez. 9.5 millimeter clay. You can cut cans with clay. You can cut cans with clay all day. Right? Some cheapo Amazon bands. Some cheapo clay shot. And most of the time your clay shot doesn't even bust up. You can go over there, collect it back up, and get back to can cutting. Like my Torque frame, it was like 20 bucks. Cheap as shit. It'll last forever. You know? Great frame. Great frame indeed. It comes with looped tubes. That's what those holes are for, looped tubes. I don't like tubes though. I like flat bands, so I just wrap and tuck some flat bands on and go to town. Come on. Oh, that's too much fun. I'm telling you, slapping a can will get you addicted to slingshots. Especially you cut that can in half. I think my food's showing up with DoorDash now. Slinger out.